Assalamu alaikum, ciao ragazzi, how's life today? So today I'm going to be doing a 3 by 3 example solve part 2. The part 1 was really horrible, I saw that. So the third example, you can actually ignore that. But but right now I'm going to do 5 solves today. So that being said, let's get right into it. Alright, so the scrambles would be in the description if you want to follow along. Now, I see a red cross, an easy red cross. So my cross solution would be like this: L prime F, D prime, F2, R2. And I see this pair right here. Go to U prime, L prime, U2, L prime, L, U2, L prime. Now I see these two, and probably these two. I'll do solve. I think I'll solve these two. F R F U R U prime R prime F. Insert. I see these two. So I rotate and I do R U R prime, and then rotate, solve, and I see these two. Last L U2 L prime U prime L, no, U L U prime L L prime. I say Ola, and I see a PLR U permutation. Yeah, next scramble, please. Alright, so in the next scramble I see thinking of doing a green cross. I think the green cross would be a bit easier. So my cross solution would be, I think I'll go through here. I think I'll be rotating and facing like this. So my cross solution would be R D, no, not R D, R L2D, F. Not before doing F, I'll do L and then F. After doing the cross solution, I see these two. I'll do R prime U prime R, U2, R prime U R R. And the next one, I see these two. I would not rotate, I'll just do a U, L prime U2 L, rotate, R prime U2 R. Now I see these two. So do R U2 R prime U2, L prime U L. And lastly these two. I'll do it for U and then do F U R U prime R prime F F prime R U prime R. And then I get Ola, and that's a PLR. U permutation, U AUF. Next scramble, please. Okay, nice. Alright, so left assumed to have a red cross, but the yellow cross is better. Yeah, the yellow cross is way better. So the cross solution would be L D prime R2 F2 D2. After the cross solution, I see these two, these two, these two. So it's pretty easy to do these two, but I think, okay, I would do these two first, but nevertheless, I saw this one first. So red, blue. Oh, misconception. Okay, so do this one. So do I would rotate. Do R prime U2 R. R U R prime. Now 3 move. Insert. R U R prime. Now there we go. We have this now. So do a rotate. U prime. R U prime R prime U R U prime R prime, and we have the issue. So we have R U R prime U2 R U R prime R U prime R prime. Now all and oh, we got a V permutation. U2 V permutation. That was a, and then a U prime AUF. Next scramble, please. Alright, I scramble. Okay, blue cross, it looks good. Yeah, blue cross looks fantastic. So the cross solution would be L F prime. No. So do L F U, and then B prime U2 R2 L2. 3 move insert at first glance. That's pretty good. And I see this one. Another nice look ahead. And these two. That's pretty nice. So do an R prime U R. And then insert, and then you have this. You rotate, and then I have Ola and G permutation. No AUF. All right, last scramble. All right, here we have the last scramble, and the last scramble is filled up. Okay, now. I can do a white cross instead. Yeah, I'll do a white cross. So my cross solution would be F prime, R prime, B prime, D, R to F prime. After cross solution, I see these two. So I do this algorithm to pair them up. F U R U prime R prime F prime. I'll do U L U2 L prime to solve to insert the pair. Now what I can do is I can solve these two. I just assumed because I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 corners. So green, white, red. So R prime U R, L prime U2 L, and then we have these two. R U2 R prime U prime, and then I'm going to do this algorithm, which actually goes for a 5 move insert. So U R U prime R prime U R U prime R prime. Now I have a Seun. That's a really good fortune. Seun and R permutation. Right. So alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. If you love my video, give a like, and yeah, don't forget to share, because lessons are worth sharing. So till then, take care, logging off, peace.